In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automatic scrolling in Adobe Acrobat and Acrobat Reader, whether you're using a PC or a Mac. Automatic scrolling is a fantastic feature that can make reading lengthy PDF documents much more manageable, freeing up your hands so you can focus on the content itself. We'll walk through the process step by step so that you can start enjoying this feature right away. Let's begin by opening your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure that you've opened either the full version of Adobe Acrobat or the Acrobat Reader. Once you've got your document open and ready, locate the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll find what we call the hamburger menu. It's the icon with three horizontal lines stacked on each other, usually indicating the presence of additional options. Go ahead and click on this icon with your mouse or trackpad. Once you've clicked the hamburger menu, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, navigate to the option labelled View. Click on View to bring up another set of options. You're not done yet. From within the View menu, look for the option called Page Display. This menu will offer several display-related options you can adjust according to your preferences. Now look for the feature labelled Automatically Scroll. Clicking on Automatically Scroll will activate this feature, allowing your PDF to scroll smoothly without needing any additional input from you. As the document starts to scroll automatically, you can adjust your pace by using your mouse wheel or trackpad. This ensures you're reading at a comfortable speed, whether faster or slower as needed. There's also a convenient shortcut key if you prefer to activate automatic scrolling without navigating through multiple menus. Simply press Shift/Ctrl plus H on your keyboard. This key combination works as a quick toggle. Toggle it on to start scrolling automatically, and then toggle it off if you wish to pause or stop the scrolling at any time. For Mac users, you can stick with the menus or check Adobe's documentation for platform-specific calibration. Using automatic scrolling can greatly enhance your reading experience, especially if you're consuming large quantities of text or engaging in a hands-free activity. Whether you're reviewing reports, enjoying an ebook, or following along with slides, automatic scrolling ensures a seamless reading experience. And that's it, you've now successfully learned how to use automatic scrolling in Adobe Acrobat and Acrobat Reader. Feel free to explore this feature further and discover how it can best serve your reading needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scrolling.